So next part on the sign conventions for reflection of spherical mirrors. Sign conventions for reflection of spherical mirrors. Sign conventions means what? Where positive, negative. Which one is positive, negative? Do you know image distance, object distance? Object distance is measured from the pole to object, that is called U. Image distance is nothing but V, that is between image and pole. So distance between object and pole is called object distance U. Distance between image and pole is called image distance V. After measuring this, so what is magnification? Like that we are just going to discuss. So before to go to this topic, where the distance is taken as positive, where it is taken as negative, erect means what, inverted means what, where it is positive, where it is negative, we are just going to discuss. See this video. Sign convention for reflection by spherical mirrors. In this convention, the pole P of the mirror is taken as origin. Pole P is taken as origin. Principal axis of the mirror is taken as x-axis of the coordinate system. So pole is the origin. Principal axis is called just a reference axis taken as x-axis. Okay, pole right hand side is positive. Pole left hand side is negative. Right hand side of the pole is called positive. Left hand side of the pole is called negative. So pole is called origin. So the principal axis just taken as x-axis. Okay. So pole is center and principal axis is x-axis. Now what are the conventions? The object is always placed to the left of the mirror. This implies that light from the object falls on the mirror from the left hand side. So if the object left side, the ray just fall on the mirror also left side. If the object is on left side, the ray which fall on the mirror also in left hand side. Next, second, all distance parallel to principal axis are measured from pole. All distance means center to pole. That is a focus to pole, object to pole, image to pole. So object distance, image distance from center of curvature, some focus, everything from the pole you have to measure. Okay. Next, all the distance are measured to the right of the origin along positive x-axis or taken as positive. So if the left side of the mirror is a negative x-axis, right side of the mirror is a positive x-axis. If all the distance are measured the right side of the origin, right side of the pole, there is positive x-axis. So the convention is positive. But if it is taken as next side, left side, that is a negative. So pole left side is the negative, pole right side is the positive. Suppose the object is image is object is in the upward y-axis na positive, downward y-axis na negative. Upward y-axis na positive, downward y-axis na negative. So distance measured perpendicular to above and principal axis, positive axis taken as positive, negative axis taken as negative. Inverted na negative, inverted image na, erect image na positive. So erect image means positive, inverted image means negative.